Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Institute Rank. In this video, we will be discussing the top 4 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city Jaipur. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below if you haven't done it yet. So, let us begin. The rank 1 institute for IIT JEE preparations in Jaipur is the Ellen Career Institute. The address of the institute includes number 11 Samachar Jagat, Bajaj Nagar, Jaipur 302015. Their contact number is 9799 634888. The website is www.jaipur.ellen.ac.in and the email ID is jaipur@ellen.ac.in. So basically, the Ellen Institute began with little thought in 1988 by Sri Rajesh Maheshwari with 8 students only. Now, it has emerged as a premier coaching for JEE main examinations and is doing a great job. So now, let us discuss some of the features of Ellen Career Institute. The very first feature is batch-wise classes having limited students. The batch strength is less here, due to which student-teacher interaction is possible in a great and effective manner. Number 2. Regular analysis is done here through continuous exercises. Every lecture is subsequently supported by a race, which is a bunch of multi-conceptual problems. Further, workshops such as KVPY, Olympiad and other competitive exams are organized in this institute. Flexible learning is a part of this institute. The institute offers various modules for JEE aspirants and from that, students can choose that which module suits them the best. At rank 2, we have Akash Institute. The Akash Institute is one of the most preferred coaching institute for medical entrance exam preparations in India. With a legacy of more than 30 years, they provide coaching for engineering and medical entrance examinations at more than 120 study centers across the India. Here, the high qualified faculty have been trained and guided to impart efficient teaching to students. Moreover, the study materials given to students are very precise and easy to understand. The institute also has well-equipped air-conditioned classrooms for their students. Let us discuss the programs offered by this institute or the courses offered by the institute. Classroom Contact Program is the very first program. Then we have regular classroom program, distance learning program, online test series, mock test, and at last Akash iTutor. Now, what about the performance? So, Akash has always proved themselves by giving the best results. 4,500 and above students from Akash Jaipur have made it to different competitive examinations. Moreover, 1,500 plus students get into merit list of IIT JEE from Jaipur Center. And more than 200 students have bagged ranks in IIT JEE mains. The address of this institute in Jaipur is S2B, 2nd floor, Arya Square Mall Junction of Mode, Subhash Nagar Road, Jhotwara, Jaipur, Rajasthan 302016. Their contact number includes 0141 39454545 and 4029901. Also, they have another contact number 40299902. Their website includes www.akash.ac.in and the email ID is jaipur@aesl.in. In addition to this, the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 85,000 and above for a normal 1-year course. Now let us discuss about our rank 3 institute, which is the Bansal Classes. So, Bansal Classes is the most successful JEE main and advanced training institute for many reasons. Their objective is to enhance quality teaching by their faculty team. Moreover, Bansal Classes have been providing quality education from many years. It provides coaching for AIEEE and IIT JEE examinations. The faculty members work towards the overall growth of the students and provide them with the best notes. The address of this institute is 3 Puja Towers, Gopalpura Bypass Road, Gopalpura, Jaipur, Rajasthan 302018. Their contact number is 0141 511 8115. Their website is www.bcjaipur.com and the email is admin@bcjaipur.com. In addition to this, their fee structure for the course of 1 year is approximately above rupees 1,11,000. The features of Bansal classes includes flexible learning, experienced faculty with great teaching methods, residential faculty, and the institute offers 24/7 support through website live chat and their toll-free number, which is definitely a great advantage for their students. At last, Bansal classes has been consistently delivering excellent results over the years. So, good past results is provided by this institute. At rank 4, we have Resonance Coaching. So, Resonance has a legacy of more than 16 years in shaping some of the best minds in the country up in the year 2001. Founded by Ramakrishna Verma, this premium coaching institute has its headquarters in Kota, Rajasthan. Its study centers are spread across the India. Moreover, it offers a multitude of courses for students of various classes, subjects, and examinations. In the past, the institute has produced many toppers in IIT and AIIMS. Unlike rest of the peers, Resonance has also established itself as a brand in coaching for secondary classes. The address of the Resonance classes in Jaipur includes B99 98 Vaishali Marg, Vaishali Nagar, Jaipur, Rajasthan 302021. The contact number is 0141 310 3666. Their website includes www.resonance.ac.in and the email ID is contact@resonance.ac.in. In addition to this, the course fee for the normal 1 year is approximately above rupees 80,000. Now, let's learn the features of this institute. So the very first feature is learner-centric and performance-based institute. Second, a wide range of academic programs is held by this institute. Third, provision for distance and e-learning courses, which I repeatedly mentioned that is the need of the hour. Further, counseling and support cell is there to help students throughout the course. At last, exceptional success and results is produced by this institute. So, these were the top 4 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city, Jaipur. I hope you have got enough knowledge regarding these institutes and now will choose the best for yourselves. Apart from all these institutes, I would like to mention about one more institute, which is The Hindu Zone. You can connect to them by going to their website, which is thehinduzone.com. When you will connect, they will give you a free counseling session which will definitely help students in selecting the course and the better coaching institute for themselves. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.